Samsung is the pioneer of foldable phones, and its inner folding design language laid the path on which all other Chinese foldables have followed. But a good case can be made that in the last couple of years foldables from brands like Huawei, Oppo, and Vivo have surpassed the Galaxy Z Fold series in pure hardware promise. For example, the most prominent design improvement Samsung gave to the Galaxy Z Fold 5 for next year is an improved hinge that no longer protrudes from the side as much in folded phone. This drastically improves the in-hand feel, as the folded Fold 5 feels more symmetrical in the hand. Samsung has almost perfected the foldable phone, and 2023 Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to be even better than the current models. For Samsung to make the ultimate foldable phone, there are 4 key things it needs to do. No visible crease. As impressive as Samsung foldable screens are, the company hasn't cracked the crease with it being visible and something you can feel when you swipe across the display. Faster charging. Most Samsung phones have rather slow charging, and the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is no exception. It tops out at 25 watts wired, or 15 watts wireless, both of which are far lower than other flagships like the 150 watts OnePlus 10T, or 120 watts Xiaomi 12 Pro. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is rumored to arrive with an extravagant 7.6-inch, 19.30cm display, along with a resolution of 1768x 2208 pixels. The larger-than-life display will make virtual content come to life. The upcoming phone might also have the Android V11 operating system, and it is also rumored to house a 4500 mAh battery that will allow one to use the phone for a longer period without battery drainage. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 was introduced on August 10, 2022, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 on August 11, 2021. Although a day earlier on August 5, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 was also unveiled in August of the year of its release. For the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, early to mid-August appears likely. As each of these announcements fell on a Wednesday, we predict that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be released on August 9 of 2023. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 makes tables a thing of the past. I can't believe it any more than you can, but it's true. So with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Samsung addressed quite a lot of shortcomings of its predecessor. They update the camera, bringing it on par with their S-series counterpart. They increased the width in the phone so the cover screen is not so claustrophobic. They also fixed the battery life despite not upgrading the capacity thanks to a more efficient chipset. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.